DIY traditional travel crafts, making souvenirs on the go. Ever found yourself on a trip looking at overpriced souvenirs thinking you could make them yourself? Well, you can. Today I am sharing 11 quick DIY traditional travel crafts you can create on the go using local materials. These unique souvenirs save money, hold sentimental value, and give you a creative travel experience. Let's dive in. 1. Natural elements. Use locally sourced materials like seashells, driftwood, or pressed flowers to craft handmade keychains or jewelry. Nature offers free beautiful supplies. 2. Fabric magic. Buy small pieces of traditional fabric from local markets and turn them into bookmarks, coin pouches, or headbands, lightweight and easy to carry. 3. Pressed souvenirs. Collect leaves or petals from your destination, press them into a small notebook and jot down travel memories, an eco-friendly personalized keepsake. 4. Hand-painted postcards. Instead of buying postcards, paint or sketch your own. Use local scenery as inspiration and create a one-of-a-kind memory. 5. DIY beadwork. Many cultures have unique beadwork styles. Pick up beads from local artisans and string them into bracelets that reflect the destination's heritage. 6. Cultural stamping. Carve mini stamps from erasers using patterns inspired by the region's art and create custom stamped travel journals or fabric prints. 7. Miniature clay sculptures. Air-dry clay is travel-friendly. Shape tiny replicas of famous landmarks or cultural symbols. Let them dry and take a piece of history home. 8. Spice blends and herbal infusions. Purchase local spices and create personalized spice blends or tea infusions, perfect for food lovers wanting to relieve flavors from their trip. 9. Thread and embroidery. Sew small travel patches with embroidered symbols from different destinations. Stitch them onto backpacks, jackets, or hats as a travel badge collection. 10. Photo transfers. Print your favorite travel photos onto fabric or wood using simple transfer techniques, an artistic way to showcase memories. 11. Upcycled maps and tickets. Turn old travel tickets, maps, or brochures into scrapbook art, coasters, or travel-themed gift wrap. Repurposing is stylish and sustainable. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only. Always check local regulations before collecting materials from nature.